Yes, guys. Frank is 22 years old. So you guys have all been bored enough with looking in here, right? But it looks pretty good for 22 years old. Oh, my thermostat job seems to be holding. Touch wood somewhere. I just did. I'm not superstitious. I just lost my rabbit's foot. So anyway, Frank is 22 years old. But one thing I wanted to show you is, excuse all of the snow removal stuff, but Mrs. Pender's vehicle is 10, just in a few months. And it looks pretty good too, eh? Same kind of look. So those of you out there that say that Kias are junk, I would have to disagree. Touch wood again. I'm gonna do it. There, I did it. So this has been a good little car. Touch wood again. It's still of the age where you can see the spark plug wires and spark plug access. It does have cable drive, not wire drive. So it's still stuff that that I can fix. It's pretty nice on the inside. Let's just see if we can see inside it. Oh yeah. I just took it to the car wash. That's kind of why I did this now, eh? So let's just go have a look at what Frank's been up to. So yeah, this car's got a couple of, parking lot dings and wounds, but nothing big. There's one right there. So yes, Mrs. Pender's Kia Soul is almost 10. It's been good. So I'm just going to shut this lid, and we're going to have a little closer look at Frank. All right, let's just have a quick little look in here. So I used to use, I wonder if that'll stay there. Yes. Nope. It's okay, it's just an unbreakable light. I used to use these, those crazy straps all the time. You can see them there, eh? The flat straps with the ratchets. And they drove me crazy. They're always jamming up if they get salty or dirty or whatever. So I've got these. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen these or not, but they're a rope ratchet. So you just pull the rope and then you just release it like that. Just like that. And you can hook, there's two sets here. You just hook them onto the edge of whatever you want to tie down and tie them down. Now they don't tie down to the pressure of a ratchet strap, but for a lawnmower they're great. So in here I keep a tarp, a bunch of pull straps, cords and extension cords. There's my jack all is in here. Old wrenches, just stuff to get you out of a jam. And I actually carry a welder's mask in here with some wire. And if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you can tie 3 batteries together, you can weld something up if something breaks. 36 volts open circuit on 2 batteries will get you out of a jam. Propane tank. What else is in here? Oh, plugs. Some more of these evil things. That's what I used to use, right? Let's go to the other side. Yeah, so Frank's 22. It's narrow back here. This isn't that exciting back here. Okay, so gloves when you're needing them. This is just a battery extender, right? For on a cigarette lighter adapter. And then in here, whoops, sorry about that. In here is just extension booster cables, my toolbox. In this box is a compressor, a 12-volt compressor that shuts off at a specified time so you can walk away because they take forever. A little bit of 530, and so there isn't a heck of a lot in here. In the back are my ramps. You guys have seen me unload. Lawnmowers with these. They just turn over and go. And then I've got a thick liner on the bed. It just lays in. It's about a ½ inch thick. And I had to buy 2 of them so I could fill in the corners. Right there, you see that, eh? There's the joint. Right there. So, just showing you a little bit more about my everyday truck. So, Frank is 22 and Mrs. Bruce's car is 10. Cool!